Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup using tomato paste. First, begin by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until they are softened and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This initial step is crucial for developing a rich, aromatic foundation for your soup. Next, stir in 6 ounces of tomato paste, cooking it for about 2 minutes to deepen its flavor and color. This caramelization step is key to a robust tomato taste. Then, pour in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom of the pot. Finally, add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow the soup to simmer gently for at least 20 minutes or up to 30 minutes uncovered. This simmering time allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Season the soup with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed, ensuring a perfect flavor profile. Once simmered, use an immersion blender to puree the soup until it reaches your desired smoothness. Alternatively, carefully transfer it to a regular blender in batches. For a creamy finish, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Serve your homemade tomato soup warm, garnished with fresh basil, a swirl of cream, or crispy croutons. Enjoy this comforting dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.